In this series I'm sharing tasty and ultralight backpacking recipes. This means that the meals will have a high energy to weight ratio of at least 100 calories per ounce. They are fast and easy to make with just a few ingredients. The meal I tend to dread the most while backpacking is breakfast. Me and oatmeal just don't get along. So I've made it a mission of mine to discover tasty oatmeal recipes that actually make me happy. And this one hits the spot. It has crunchy chocolate chip cookies with the freshness of apple and savory smokiness of paprika powder. The exact measurements can be found in the description below. The ingredients are of course the oatmeal, whole milk powder, cocoa powder and a bit of sugar. And now for the toppings. To start with, a smashed chocolate chip cookie. I prefer them with pure chocolate. Some dried apple and smoked paprika powder that combines amazingly with chocolate. Throw the ingredients for the oatmeal in a Ziploc bag and put the toppings in a bag of their own. When you are ready for breakfast, boil half a cup of water and mix it together with the oatmeal ingredients. Let it rest for a minute or two and add the toppings. There you go, a crunchy chocolate oatmeal with apple and smoked paprika that makes for some great variation in your porridge game. As always, thank you for watching, and if you like this video, subscribe for more.